This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Fluid level checks. Pull the bonnet release lever located in the passenger's footwell. Lift the bonnet slightly. Pull the safety catch forwards. Raise the bonnet and release the bonnet prop from its clip. Engage the bonnet prop to support the bonnet. Engine oil check. Withdraw the engine oil level dipstick, wipe it clean, then fully reinsert it. Withdraw the dipstick again and check the oil level indicated. The oil level should be near the upper marking on the dipstick. If not, topping up is required. Rotate the engine oil filler cap anti-clockwise and remove it. Position a funnel, then add a little clean engine oil, check the level frequently with the dipstick and bring the level to the upper mark. Remember to refit the dipstick and do not overfill. With the level correct, remove the funnel and securely refit the filler cap. Coolant check. With the engine completely cold, the coolant level should be between min and max marks at the front of the expansion tank. If topping up is necessary, rotate the expansion tank cap anti-clockwise and remove it. Add a 50-50 mixture of water and antifreeze to bring the level up to the max mark. Securely refit the filler cap. Brake clutch fluid. The max and min marks are indicated on the reservoir. The fluid level must be kept between the marks at all times. If topping up is necessary, wipe around the filler cap and unscrew it. Add fluid to bring the level to the max mark. Only use new fluid from a sealed container. Securely refit the filler cap. Screen wash fluid. Open the filler cap and top up the screen wash reservoir with a mixture of water and screen wash fluid. Don't forget to close the cap.